Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN's Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are here to discuss the topic communication patterns in the animals. And this topic comes under the subject behavioral science. So let's start. So definitely the animals are not able to speak. They do not know any specified language, but they are able to communicate with each other. So there are various methods or mechanisms by which they can communicate. They include the visual, auditory, tactile, and the chemical methods. So some species rely more on one form of the communication over the another. Means they can use more than one type of the communication patterns. So we can discuss one by one the various mechanisms or the methods of the communication. So first is the visual communication. Okay, visual communication. For example, we can understood this by the examples. So the bright yellow feathers of the male American goldfinch. So the bright color tells the prospective mate with that the male is it is suitable choice. Likewise, the glow of the firefly, and very commonly you can see when a dog wags his tail to let you know that he is happy. Okay, so visual communication is the least effective because for this type of communication the animals should be in the close proximity, means the animals be close enough to see one another, then and only it is possible to communicate with the visual communication. Next is the auditory communication. So barking, growling, hissing, and purring all the considered animal auditory communication. And for example, the dog barks when approached by the stranger, and the red squirrel use a series of rattles and the scratches and yips to warn intruders to stay away. And dolphin use a specific sound that set themselves apart from others, and a unique whistle it is produced, and that also helps them to locate the food material. Then next is the tactile communication. So like human, animals also can rely on the tactile communication, means the touch sense. Okay, so to convey the messages. So most animals use this form of communication show for the affection, comfort of or the fear, or even to establish the dominance. So for example, you will see the cows to show their communication by licking their um, newborns. Okay, so when competing for so as kittens, cats will nuzzle their mothers to show affection. Many species of primates will clean each other to bond and show their affection. Okay, so next one is the chemical communication. For the some species of animals, communication is about the pheromones or the chemical marking. Okay, so they will leave their own scents to mark their territories and ward off predators or attract a mate. So the most well-known example is that of the skunks spraying their signature scents when threatened. Cats will rub against objects to mark their territories and leaving scent marks from their mouths. Okay. Likewise, in many of the animals, the pheromones are released, which attract the opposite sex. So I hope you are satisfied with this detailed session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.